What's up, champs? Welcome to today's video. My name is Trevin. I'm a full-time seven-figure Amazon seller. And in today's video, we're gonna be giving you guys an update with my second Amazon Seller Central account and break down how I've been doing and also show how I was able to get brand registered in literally 2 weeks for half the price of what I paid for my first Amazon account. So I'm really excited about breaking that down. But first, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, like the video, drop a comment. I appreciate the support. And without further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, so let's come over here and let's dive into my screen and let's break down my second Amazon Seller Central account, give you guys some updates, and then break down how I was able to get brand registered in literally 2 weeks for half the price. And I just want to give you guys some information about this second account. First, it's 100% TOS compliant. I got approved from Amazon to create this account. And a lot of people are wondering, well, why did you open up a second account? And there's two main reasons. The first is to show people that I could start an account from scratch and literally build it from the ground up. And I'll show you guys kind of proof of how I was able to do that, because a lot of people are like, well, Amazon's dead, it's too competitive, I can't do it right now. And that's not the case. It's just you need to understand what to do, what not to do, and how to go about it. And if you have that skill set and if you learn from the right people, you'll be able to successfully launch products even right now when everyone's saying it's dead, when it's really not. So that's the first reason. The second reason is I wanted to build a separate brand from my main account. And the goal with this is to build it up to then potentially sell it and have an exit. So I'm really excited about that, and I've enjoyed the process. I'm in the process of launching 2 more products on this account. And now let's come over here and let's break down and give you guys an update. So let's come over here to my Seller Central account. And I'm gonna give you guys kind of my sales starting from the pandemic. So April 1st to now September 17th, we'll hit apply. I've done just over $60,000 in sales, which I'm super happy about. But there's one flaw and kind of one thing that I totally just screwed up on. And if I would have avoided this, this should be at like 120,000 easy, literally. So if you guys can see right here, you'll see that I've just had a lot of ups and downs. My sales go good, down, my sales go good, down, literally out of stock for almost an entire month, and then sales go up and then sales down. It's just been super hard to manage my inventory, and I've been struggling with that. It's a little bit bigger of a product, and so I've been doing C shipping. I've had some supplier issues, and so I've just struggled keeping in inventory. So my goal moving forward is to really invest a lot into this product, and I've had to reinvest a lot of money. And that's the thing that a lot of people aren't willing to do, is reinvest the profits back into the business to build that cash flow, to build that inventory base so that you don't run out of stock. And if I wouldn't have ran out of stock, I mean, I was doing close to $1,000 a day. So this account was absolutely crushing it. And it is a bummer, but let's kind of now give you guys an update for the last month. So let's come here to August 17th and we'll hit apply. And you'll see that in the last month, I've done almost $20,000. And you'll see that I was out of stock here. And now I'm just finally getting back in stock and finally getting my rank back up. So I'm super excited with the progress. And then I'm also launching 2 more products on this account. So I'm hoping to just continue to take this account to the moon. And honestly, I think it has more potential than my first account, and I think I'm gonna pass it. I'm not sure when that's gonna happen, but I'm super happy with the progress. And so now what I wanna do is talk about brand registry, why it's important, the benefits that come with it, and how to go about actually getting brand registry. So as you guys saw with my second account, it's been going extremely well. And the next step to scaling that business is to actually get enrolled in brand registry, get a trademark filed so that number one, my brand's protected. And I'm gonna show you guys some different cool benefits that come with brand registry. So let's come over here and let's first talk about the benefits, and then we'll break down how to go about getting one. So if we come here to brandservices.amazon.com, this is talking about all the benefits that come with brand registry. So you have accurate brand representation, you have powerful search and report tools, You have additional proactive brand protection. So if you have a hijacker on your listing, if someone is using one of your images or they're hijacking your listing or whatever the case is, then you are going to be able to report them and file a violation, and it's going to be a lot easier to get them removed because you actually have a trademark and they're infringing on your intellectual property. So that's a huge benefit of brand registry. And then you're also going to have brand registry support. So it's a little bit easier to get support. And then you'll also have, which is one of the most important things in my eyes, is the brand building benefits. So you'll have advantages of tools like enhanced brand content, stores, sponsored brands, and the brand dashboard. And I'll kind of show you guys what that is. So if I search Bath Caddy, you'll see that this huge ad right here, that's a sponsored brand ad. And the only way you can get that type of ad is if you are enrolled in brand registry. And if we scroll down right here, you'll see that there's a thing called video ads. And that's another thing that comes with brand registry. And these video ads are super, super awesome. You make a short video about your product and it's literally blasted on that front page. So this is massive. I mean, this is insane real estate that you can get with your PPC campaigns, but you have to be enrolled in brand registry. So those are some benefits. And then if you come over to like the listing, you'll see that they have an actual video on the listing. That's another thing that you can do with brand registry. And then if you scroll down and you see the product description with all the images and different text, and it makes it look a little bit more professional, that's another thing that you can do with brand registry. So if you don't have brand registry, you don't have access to all those different things. Now, with that being said, do you need brand registry to successfully launch a product? The answer is no. I mean, my second account, I just got brand registry literally 2 days ago. So all the way up until this point for the last year, I haven't had brand registry and I've been able to successfully launch a product. But to scale that product and to basically build a legitimate brand, this is the next step. So this is something super important that you guys need to do. And how you want to go about it is, let's come back to my second Amazon Seller Central account. You're logged in, and what you're going to do is you're going to go over here to apps and services. You're then going to go to explore services. So right here, you hit explore services, and note, you have to have the pro Amazon account plan. So if you are not paying the $40 a month, you can't have access to this. You have to have the pro plan, which is $39.99 a month. And then you'll have access to all these different features. So that's kind of how Amazon works, is the free plan. You're limited to the different reports and different tools. Then as you get the pro plan, you have more benefits and more features. And then as you get brand registry, you have even more features. So it's kind of a pay to play system. And it is what it is, but you go over here to the apps and services, you hit explore services, and you're gonna come down over here and you're going to search for what's called the IP accelerator program. You're gonna click on this. And once you do that, you're gonna scroll down. I'm just gonna click trademark. I'm going to hit the 4-star and up. And I'm going to show you the exact person that I used to get my trademark, and I had an amazing experience. So right here, Idea Legal is who I used. And so basically what you're going to do is you're going to click on this, send a request, and then they're going to send you an email with a little form that you're going to fill out, and then they'll break down kind of your different options. Then they'll give you a price and break down what's next. And then once they file it, which literally took like 5 days, I communicated with them, I filled out the form, they got back to me, I told them, okay, this is what I want to do. They then filed it, and then a week later, Amazon sent me an email saying, hey, welcome to brand registry, create your account. And then once I created the account, it took then Amazon like 2 days to approve it. And boom, literally in 14 days, I have enhanced brand content, I have brand registry, my brand is protected, and I actually don't have approved trademark. It's just filed. And that's the huge benefit from going through the IP Accelerator program. So let me explain. On my first account, this didn't even exist. This program, the IP Accelerator program, didn't exist, and you had to have an actual approved trademark to enroll into this program. And so what happened is I was having hijackers, I was having issues, I wanted to grow my account, so I filed for a trademark, and it took 9 months for me to get that trademark approved, and then I could enroll in brand registry, where here in 14 days you can have access to all of these cool, unique tools and features. So it's an amazing program that they rolled out. And And what's crazy is this literally was half the price. It was actually more. So my first account, I paid $2,500 to have an IP attorney go file the trademark, get everything situated. And I paid the premium because I wanted to get it done ASAP, and he did a great job. No complaints there, but I did overpay because here, Idea Legal, I submitted it and I paid a whopping $865 for my trademark, and I'm already brand registered in 14 days. So literally $2,500, $900. You guys see the difference. This is a huge opportunity to really grow your brand, invest in your business, and this is a great way to do so. Not to mention it's a tax write-off, and you having this enhanced the brand registry is going to pay for itself time and time and time again. So this is something that you guys are going to want to do once you have your product up and rolling. You don't need to do this right off the get-go. You don't need to do this to launch a product, but once your product is launched and going, I would highly recommend to get into the IP Accelerator program and use Idea Legal. It was super seamless and it was super easy, and it was only $900. So that's who I recommend. I'm sure you could try these other law firms. I'm sure they'd be great, but I just had a good experience with Idea Legal. And so that's why I'm sharing that with you. And there's no affiliate links or affiliation with them. I just had a great experience, and that's why I'm sharing that with you. So that's a little bit of an update with my second account, what I've been doing, and that's how to get brand registered in 2 weeks. So if you guys are not brand registered and you have a product that's selling well, I would highly recommend to do so and get and take advantage of that A+ content, the sponsored ads. I mean, let's come back over here and let's just highlight some points. Having videos in your listing is huge. You can show so much more in a video and people are going to watch these videos. Then you have the A+ content. That's even more content to break down and show why your product is better. So here is a great listing. They've done an awesome job. Now let's compare it to a crappy listing where this one just has 3 images. They don't have any video. And if you come down here to the description, they don't have anything. They just have the pictures and that's it. Where this one, they have the A+ content. They have the video and the listing. And that's why this is Amazon's choice for bath caddies, because they've done a lot better. And in order to really grow a legitimate business, you need to have these features. So I hope that this helps. I hope that this motivates you to continue to keep going. That my second Amazon account is living proof that it's not too late to get started. And if you guys want to start, but you don't know where or how to get started, then go to the link down below, amzchampions.com, enroll in my full A to Z mentorship program. We'll break down literally the entire process. Literally everything in my brain, I filmed, and it's like 10 hours of content, 100+ videos, PDF guides and templates breaking down everything that I know about Amazon. It's inside there. And so you guys need to go check that out if you guys want to start right now. I'll show you guys the entire process, show you how to navigate the ups and downs of this crazy Amazon FBA business. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like it, subscribe, drop a comment. I appreciate the support, and we will see you guys in the next video.